Assalamualaikum everyone. Thank you for watching my Mybreezylife video. If you are fighting with acne or want to have clear glowing skin, then this barley and wheat flour pack is an absolute all-in-one face pack that will whiten your skin tone, clear acne, will remove dead skin and gives you clear glowing skin. Barley and wheat flour pack has multiple benefits for skin. This pack deeply cleans your face, exfoliates it, and gives you glowing and smooth skin. It also removes dust and clogs from pores, treat acne, pimples, breakouts, and infections. We use barley flour in this face pack, which has interesting benefit for our skin and health. Barley flour help us to exfoliate skin gently and removes dead cell, dirt, and excess oil. The anti-inflammatory properties of barley flour unclogs pores and combat with various skin problems such as acne, pimple, and breakouts. When combined with wheat flour, almond oil, fresh goat milk, and rose water, this pack works as miracle. Therefore, it's a perfect face mask acne homemade treatment. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon barley flour, 1 tablespoon wheat flour, 3 tablespoons fresh goat milk. If not available, you can use fresh milk. 2 teaspoons rose water, 1 teaspoon almond powder. Now take a clean bowl and mix all the ingredient in it. Make it a homogeneous mixture so that once you will apply on the face, it will stays on your face. Now apply this face pack on your face. Let it dry or wait until 15 to 20 minutes. Now once it's dried, now wet your finger and slightly massage on your face in a circular motion. Ensure not to rub your face. When you will do circular massage with your finger, it will be removed itself from your face. Now rinse your face with the normal tap water and apply neem leaves toner for the best result.